Hey guys, this is LG's webOS 23 after September 23 design update with different home menu layout. webOS itself hasn't changed much since the previous version, webOS 22. So in this video I'll just show you overall how responsive it is. I'll open different apps and settings for you to see. So now I'm scrolling through the home menu. I'll rearrange apps, I'll enable intelligent edit, okay, close. Now let's open Netflix. Okay, so I'm scrolling through it. I open whichever content I want. And here it's really handy to have pointer because you can quickly jump to whichever frame you want. Okay, let's go to home and open Rakuten TV. Okay, let's see what I can do here. I need to use arrows on the remote. And let's see if pointer will work. No, pointer isn't working. Disney Plus. So log in. You see it's quite responsive. Prime Video. Thriller, Watch Party, Languages and more. Everything working good. Alexa, what does it offer? So I'm using shortcuts on the remote itself. Okay, going to home. Now let's open YouTube. Let's see what is here. All right, so all fine. Now let's use these cards here, like home office for example. So different options available, game, different streaming services, and here you can open them. Let's see, music, which options does it have? Spotify, YouTube, LG Mood, great. Home hub, here you have different options. Now let's switch to HDMI 4 where I have this content playing from Panasonic UB820 DVD player, actually UHD Blu-ray player, but currently it's standard Blu-ray disc in it. Okay, HBO Max, yeah, let's see this app. Okay, and we're inside. See, it's working really well. Now in home menu, if you press back arrow key, you will see recent list, so apps that you opened before, and you can open them again from here. Also, if you want to simplify home menu, I have a separate video showing exactly how to do that. There's also Sports Alert app. Let's see, which options does it have? Okay, so you can add, let's see, you need to sign in. Okay, I'm not signed in at the moment, but you choose basically team, player, and so on, and then if they are playing on live TV, you will be notified. Now let's use voice assistant. Open Netflix. Open settings menu. Okay, standard settings menu with different options. Will I need umbrella for tomorrow in Zagreb? Okay, great. And you also have art gallery. So it takes a few moments to load. And I see, oh, now you can download some of them and you see how big those collections are. Okay, I will not wait for that. Let's see what else is here. Web browser. Ad blocking feature, yes. So if we go to BBC Home, for example, yeah, you see it's takes some time to load, but overall I think it's quite acceptable. New tab, let's see, AccuWeather. Okay, and go to Home. And that's it. So overall quite responsive. During the test I haven't seen issues with stability. All streaming services were playing content smoothly, and you have good tips if you want to learn more about webOS. So you have built-in user manual, open user manual. So here you can learn about different options, and you have this option try now, so it will load appropriate segment for you to see. Also, let's take a few moments. Just if I open home settings, I'll do it like this. Open home settings. And if I disable home promotion and content recommendation, then you will see this TV guide, user guide. Check how, let's see, this user guide, is it the same? It's the same. Okay, I saw somewhere something else, maybe it's in this card list. Tips, yes, that's right, tips, that's what I wanted to show you. Tips, so you have this learn various tips. It's presented in a slightly different way. For example, use two windows at the same time. So you see this image and short explanation, and you can quickly learn that, for example, this function works only for these inputs or apps. And again, try now, and you can start using it immediately. And guys, that's all I wanted to share in this video. I hope you found it helpful. Let me know if you have some specific tips for webOS 23, and I'll catch you guys in my next video very soon. Bye!